Hello YouTube. Today I'm gonna be doing Animal Jam. Friend me. I am Hey guys, it's me 333. And yeah, this is gonna be called Animal Jam Madness, episode 1. Hope you guys enjoy this. But yeah, I'm gonna make a little short video and clips. So yeah. First, I'm gonna be going to Jamal Township to do a game. I love this game. Oh wow. Wow. Sadly we can't talk, but okay, so click anywhere to jump. People should be coming right here. They're all I'm lonely. But anyways, guys, if you like the thumbnail I just learned how to make one. Just focus. Whee! Let's go. Let's go. Anyways, I'm gonna do one more race. If I get first, yeah.
Mario gets held back and gets together.
Sorry for my sister's noise ruckus.
Happy April 1st. I'm going to play and prank Mario and Luigi. Happy April 1st. I'm going to play. Happy April 1st. I'm going to play and prank. Happy April 1st. I'm going to play and prank on Mario and Luigi. Happy April 1st. I'm going to play and prank on Mario and Luigi.
280, I got. Whoa. 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 I'm gonna shop and get these Jamala dollar days earmuffs. And what color? How much? I'm a lot of white and blue. I have even amounts, but I have one item clothing that are blue. Okay, so I'm gonna get blue. Actually, no, white, because they're cute. They're super cute. I think I needed to change my mind. Cough, 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 cough. So I'm gonna go do that race one more time. Whoa. Whoa. Okay, there are a bunch. Why can't I space to jump? Bad idea to spam. Now it's good.
I don't even think it's moved. Done. 5 minutes. 15 minutes. Not 15, like 10.
It also comes with new vocal cords. Hi, I'm Joey.
Okay. Wanna do it for longer, I guess. I don't wanna burn it. Okay.
You look great.
15. But that's gonna
Sorry, I'm very sick.
5 more minutes after this.
Woo! Yeah. Yeah, I got 150.
Huh?
No. Oh crap.
It also comes with a new voice. Now me.
I need this. I need the baseball cap, like real.
How do I look? You look good.
Okay, so it's double coins. And for other horses, I just logged out probably. Oh god. Pause. Okay, we're back. What kind of game is this? Long shot. Oh no, I want to play Sky High.
Babe, you need some steak?
I'm really.
I can find nothing else.
Anyways,
I can't. He said,
I want. Can I go to Sky High? Yes. Yes. Please tell me. Yes.
That's right.
So put it on, I say put on like 1 or 5 minutes just to make sure.
If you do it too much, it's gonna.
I know.
I'm Princess. Now me.
You turn it off, the oven light.
No, it's on broil, right? Take it out and then look at it.
How do I look?
Yeah, you needed to come with me, I thought. You said you were gonna buy the beer?
Yeah, but she's gonna pay for this shit. Not go outside. I'm going to switch my dad. That's the thing, she didn't have. You bring this
Yeah.
shit.
Look at, she knows.
Fucking stand there and that's the thing.
Yeah, but
Anyways,
Take it out and see.
yeah, to see how
There's
much,
gloves up there.
Okay,
how
let's
cooked it is.
die.
Three of them in there, you gotta flip them. I couldn't use the other one because
So,
everything was confused. You gotta flip all of them.
and then you gotta
And I have 510. So, I need to find it. What color? People are saying pink is the best. But it won't go on my outfit because I'm gonna also use it. I'm gonna do yellow.
Okay, let me move.
So we got that. So yeah, I guess I'll end this episode here. I hope you like, comment, and subscribe. Bye. And comment down below if you would like me to do more of these. Hit me up. Hey guys, it's me 333, and I'll be a fox, a deer, one of these characters. Okay. And bye. Subscribe and peace.